I've done data science course from EdYoda, in which there are multiple modules like Python, SQL, Power BI, on some parts of Excel, AWS, and that's went very well. I have an idea of getting into the IT from while doing my MBA itself. So, however, EdYoda let me the path.
Hi everyone, welcome to EdYoda Alumni Talks, and this is your host Rishabh Chatterjee. Today we have a very special guest here with us, which is Premsai, and first of all I would like to congratulate him for getting placed and also welcome him to this video. So welcome Premsai.
Hi Rishabh and Hal. Thank you for your warm wishes, Rishabh.
And can you tell our viewers like in which company you have got placed?
Yeah, actually I got placed in multiple companies, but seriously I want to talk about Kagul Data. The latest one.
Okay.
I placed in Kagul Data, which is from Hyderabad.
Okay. And what is the job role?
Yeah, it's a full stack QA engineer.
All right. And like which program did you do from EdYoda?
I've done data science course from EdYoda, in which there are multiple modules like Python, SQL, Power BI, on some parts of Excel, AWS, and that's went very well.
And like, how did it feel when you came to know that yes, I have got placed in this company? What was your feeling like?
Okay, when it comes to feel, being a MBA grad, I don't have a engineering background. Seriously, I done my BCom from in commerce and MBA in retail management, and I thought coding would be a boring and it's hard to learn. What I thought is, and I searched for many edutechs in online, but see, even I can think of Mrinal, who just contacted me first from EdYoda. She is the one reason why I joined EdYoda actually, and then I joined EdYoda and it's good actually. I didn't think it will be much better, but it's so good than what I thought.
And how was your like family's reaction when you told them you have got placed?
Even they thought, Raya, you had done your MBA and you want to go to coding. There is no touch for you in the coding. But when I got the job, oh, it's nice, it's fantastic, and that's good. That all. Even they got somewhat. They went away. Even they are surprised to know that I got a job in coding with MBA background. And even most of my relatives also asked me about this, and I spoke to them about EdYoda and all. Even they were surprised.
Like, what made you change? You did MBA first, then suddenly why you thought I want to study something technical?
Actually, I have an idea of getting into the IT from while doing my MBA itself, but there is no chance with the MBA what I've done. So I thought, why don't I give some, why don't I take some steps to get into coding and then it right. So, however, EdYoda let me the path.
Okay. And like after MBA, directly you joined EdYoda or were you working somewhere in between?
Actually, in post my MBA, I worked for ITC for 1.5 years and PhonePe as a territory sales manager in PhonePe for 6 months. While I was doing my job, EdYoda gave me a chance. Even that's what I like in EdYoda is they started the classes at evening 7 till 9. Okay, so I got better time to learn apart from doing my job.
So you're working and studying also?
Yes.
Okay.
I earned while learning.
So like, was it like difficult or how was your experience? Like you have to work full day and then come see the session and then again study?
Whenever I feel I can't do this today, I used to watch the videos of previous days, or I used to watch the videos of that day in the next day, or else I get Sunday and Saturday too. So I can watch the day itself. So it's not as hard what we think. It's easy. Even there are sessions to watch again and again while we practice too. I used to practice on Saturday and Sunday. So even though when I have doubts, I used to message Mohit Chauhan or Kunal. Even I remember their names because I never thought I would do this much in coding because of them. When we are practicing, it will be good. Like we will be asking doubts and they will be clearing. They give a chance, they give time to clear our doubts and everything. How many times you ask, they will be replying to us.